Hello girls, today we will know about chapter 2. Chapter 2 is managing files and folders. Before knowing about the files and folders, we will know about the Windows. Windows is the software. Now you will think about the software. What is software? Software is the set of instructions or program that tells how to work. That tells the computer how to work. This is the set of instructions that helps the computer to work properly. When we talk about the software, this is of two types: system software and application software. System software and application software. Computer works with the help of hardware and software. Hardware and software are interdependent. So hardware, that means the parts of computer. We have read in previous chapter all the parts of computer that we can see or touch, that is called the hardware. Now we will know about the software. Software is the set of instructions. Clear? System software. When we talk about the Windows, Windows is the system software. It is also called the operating system. It is also called operating system. Operating system controls overall processing and activities of the computer system. Overall processing, that means input, output, processing, storage, if we have to add another device. So for all the purpose, only the operating system is responsible. That's why it is called controls overall processing and activities. If we have to attach the device, if we have to remove the device, if we have to install the software, if you have to uninstall the software, for all the purpose only this is responsible. A simple example we can understand: a parents at home, he is responsible for overall activities. Similarly, this operating system is responsible for overall activities. Operating system, the examples are Windows, Linux, Unix. These are the example. You have seen now when we start the computer, a Windows logo moves on the screen. That is the Windows software. That is the Windows software. We can use, there are many versions of the Windows. When we start the computer, we can use any Windows option, a Windows software, but it is mandatory to use the Windows software. Now the types. There are two types of operating system: CLI and GUI. CLI stands for command line interface, and GUI stands for graphical user interface. In the CLI interface, we have to enter the command for any kind of work. If we have to start any application like the MS Word, MS PowerPoint, we have to use the command. If we have to go from one location to another location, we have to use the command. That's why it is not very user friendly, and it is used only by the experts. Computer experts only, they are knowing the commands and they are using this. Next is GUI, graphical user interface. In the graphical user interface, all the instruction in the symbolic form. We easily can see the symbol and use it. You have seen now for the cut, copy, paste, the scissor option is given, so we easily can recognize the icon that this is for this is for cut, this is for copy, or the alignment. Many options are given in computer, all the instruction in the symbolic form. That is called the graphical interface. And one special thing with the GUI, that we can use the mouse and it makes the computer user friendly. It makes the computer user friendly. That is the GUI. So Windows provides GUI interface. Operating system provide an interface between user and hardware. Hardware is useless without the system software, and software is useless without the hardware.